Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Today we're going to continue with our argumentative texts. I know some of you were having issues with the Jamboard yesterday, so I just want to show you how to access that because it was there. When you come over to classwork, you'll see Jamboard. You can click on it, and then the link should be right there. Or you can click View Assignment, and then from there, you'll be able to see your assignment. Okay? So please make sure you get that done. I gave extra time on yesterday's Jamboard because some of you were having issues with that. If you do have problems accessing it, please send me a message so I can help you out. This one will be deleted again by 5 today. The answer to yesterday's riddle is a hummingbird. Today's riddle is... Creeping on its belly, curled into a ring, eyes open forever, beware its lethal sting. What is this? Let me know in the slide.